Okay, this pump was sent out for repair, okay, in serial number 618505. I have actually two pumps. These are models 400. This is 401. This pump had a lot of problems. The solenoid manifold was full of resist. So I had to pull out the manifold out, and I cleaned. The venturi was clogged. It had a couple of solenoids that were bad, so I replaced a couple of solenoids. Anyways, fully refurbished and cleaned, and I hooked it up with DI water. Actually, it's not DI water, it's IPA, isopropyl alcohol. And I'm going to demonstrate that it's dispensing and that it's working properly. So here goes. Okay, I'll do several dispenses. As you can see, it's dispensing. I have a short dispense. And if you can see that it's not dripping afterwards, that means that it has good suck back. Okay. I'll do a couple more. Okay, this proves that the pump has been tested and completely refurbished and is working. So I'll hook up the next pump and we'll go on from there. Okay, this is the second pump that was sent out for repair. This pump had several problems. This is a pump serial number 960337. This pump here, I replaced the board. The board was bad. It had several problems. I changed the cap sensor, the venturi valve, the N2 on PWMO solenoid, the N2 filter, the clean valves, cleaned all the manifold solenoids and the solenoids. Because of resist got into the manifold, it kind of it ruined most of the solenoids. So I had to clean the manifold and the entire pump. So this pump was fully refurbished. And I'm going to do a test here so you can see that it's dispensing correctly. And I have it full of IPA, so I'm running IPA through it, not resist, because then I don't have to clean it again. So here it goes. Here's the dispense. I'm going to do several dispenses. As you can see, it's dispensing and it's not dripping after the dispense. Suck back is good. I'll do it again several times. Okay, the pump is working good. So right now I'm just going to drain it and get it ready to ship. That's it.